Oh, toodaloo. Okay, yeah, we got checkered vans.
Wrangler. Arc'teryx. Vanlife.us hat.
And
you don't dress as cool as us. Tomorrow we gotta get Jake in the vans and the.
Now it's safe. We're doing it safe.
Where are we headed?
We are gonna head to a place called Marlboro Point, which is where the first Marlboro cigarette was actually rolled. So that's scripture. You just have this like crazy mesa right here.